How to create group chat on TikTok 2023. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to create group chat on TikTok 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over again to our TikTok right here. And then once you have done that, you can see this inbox icon. So click on the inbox icon. And then from in there, what you can do is you can just select a chat right here. So select a chat. And then from in there, just click on these three dots right here. And then from in there, you can see create a new group chat. But if you can see that, that just means that your TikTok is not updated. So to update your TikTok, just head over to your Play Store or App Store, depending on what device you have. Then from in there, just click on the search bar right here. So click on search bar, search for TikTok, and then update your TikTok app. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to create group chat on TikTok 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.